Step 1. Unconnect or unplug the cable by using the wrench to loose the both nut to remove the rear wheel. Simply just pull back the rear derailleur and then pull up the wheel. The rear wheel will be removed. And then we're moving to the second step, installing the rear wheel. Make sure before the install you check there was a hook washer on the left and right. They're on the same position. Okay, right now we back to the final installing. Use the right hand to lift up the wheel and the left hand to pull back the rear derailleur, and then make sure the brake rotor is aligned to the caliper and insert the wheel into the frame. Sure the washer hook hanger in the embed properly and also align up with the bike frame. After installing the wheel and also the double check with the washer hook, we come to the final step. Make sure you have the washer and also the nut tighten together and tighten it up like video shows, and make sure to tie that on both sides. Okay, finish with the right hand side. We go to the left hand side. Always make sure the washer and also the nut. Washer and the nut. And then you tie it together. And then make sure you have the screw or nut cover. Cover it up. And we move to the cable. It's very easy. You just need to connect them together, but make sure there's a too small arrow like the picture or the video shows right now. You pulling it together, align it and insert, and okay, all set.